Hello everybody, I'm very happy to be here again with you. Today we're going to talk about accepting and refusing requests and invitations. Politeness is fundamental when we are asking for a favor or when we are making a request. For that, we have to deal with polite questions, and we must be polite when answering to accept or refuse something. If you observe this presentation, we are going to see some examples related to polite questions and answers. It's very common to start a polite question with can. Can is a modal verb that is very useful when we are asking for a favor. Can I have a copy of this contract? Sure, I'll get it for you. Sorry, I'm afraid that's not possible. Observe the politeness of this answer. You are using sorry. You are using I'm afraid. So this gives a nice answer even if you cannot do the favor. Instead of saying, no, I can't. Let's see the next example. Can I borrow your computer? Yes, of course. Sorry, Paul is using it. Sorry again. Sorry is important to include in the answer. Could you lend me your dictionary, please? Yes, here you are. Sorry, I didn't bring it today. It's necessary that you identify the difference between borrow and lend. When you borrow something, you are supposed to take it yourself. If you ask somebody to lend you something, you are supposed the other person give that object or that thing to you. When you answer, yes, here you are, it's like saying, aquí tienes, even if are doesn't mean tener. Another way to start a polite question is using would. You could say, would you join us for lunch? Yes, I'll be there, thank you. I would like to, but I'm having a meeting with the board of directors. A very polite way to answer. I would like to, me encantaría, pero no puedo, ¿sí? Let's see the next example. Do you mind if I take this brochure? Do you mind? In this case, ¿te importaría si lo hago? No, not at all. Para nada. I'd prefer you didn't. In this case, you are answering in a very polite way. You don't want the person to take the brochure, but you don't say, no, don't take it. Instead of that, you say, I'd prefer you didn't. It's a suggestion, okay? I'd corresponds to would. You could use I would prefer. I would prefer, as is used here. Instead of would, you use the abbreviation D. I'd prefer you didn't. See this one. May I help you? May is a very polite way to offer help. You could say, may I help you? Can I help you? Could I help you? And you could say, yes, thank you. Don't forget to say thank you. It's part of the polite answer. No, thanks. Don't forget to say thanks. Another one is a polite way to refuse the help. No, thanks, I just finished. Could you give me extension 304? Sure, I put you through. Sorry, the line is busy. Sorry is much better than say, no, I can't. If you say sorry and explains why it's not possible for you to give the extension, would be much better than just saying no. Now let's talk about invitations. When we are dealing with invitations, we have to consider the event, the purpose, the place, the hour, and the date. These 5 elements are fundamental in order to be successful in that invitation. If you don't mention all this information, the person will be in trouble to get to the appointment. An event could be a business breakfast. The purpose could be to discuss a new project. The date could be any day, for instance on Tuesday, put an hour at 9 a.m. and the place in Vips. Observe this conversation. Can we meet at breakfast to discuss a new project? Here you are proposing the breakfast and you are giving the purpose. Sure, when? We could meet on Tuesday in downtown Vips. Here we are suggesting a day and you are suggesting a place. I'm sorry, I can't. I'll be very busy with new contracts on Tuesday. What about Wednesday? So you are trying to arrange a new day. That's fine. That's fine. Is 9 suitable for you? That's perfect for me. Good. See you on Wednesday. You could add, see you on Wednesday at night in Vips. Have a nice day. Or simply, see you on Wednesday. But if you really want to confirm all details, you have to repeat everything. Okay, see you on Wednesday at 9 a.m. in downtown Vips. Thank you. All right, now let's talk about another example. In this example, it's an invitation for a concert. The purpose is to get funds for children with cancer that will be held on the 6th July at 7 p.m. in Esperanza Aire Theater. You have all the information there. Let's see what happened. Hello, Mary. We are organizing a concert to get funds for children with cancer. Here is the invitation. Would you like to go? Sure. When's the concert? You already know the event, but you ignore the day and the place. It's on the 6th July at 7 p.m. in Esperanza Aire Theater. Okay, now we have the 5 elements already here. We have the event, that is a concert, the purpose, to get funds for children with cancer, the date, the 6th July, hour at 7 p.m. in Esperanza Aire Theater, the place. Besides that, you could give more information, or the person may ask you more information about it. Observe. Who's playing? The UJAT Camera Orchestra. It sounds nice. How much are the tickets? There are several prices depending on the seat you choose. Where can I buy them? You can get them in the theater. Great, I'll buy them tomorrow. See you in the concert. Thank you, Mary. I hope you enjoy it. I'm sure I'll do it. See you. Bye. Well, I hope you have learn a little more about polite requests and invitations. Have a very nice day. Goodbye.